Hello everyone, I am Deeptangshu Banik and today I am going to be discussing the prototyping of my project Inferno. So let us start with the necessary components. Here I have chosen Arduino Mega microcontroller board as I require the large number of inputs and outputs that are provided by the Arduino Mega. Followed by this, I have selected an A4998 stepper driver, which will help to drive the stepper motors in my project. I also require a stepper motor as this is going to help me maneuver the camera for detection. Other than this, I have taken a remote control and remote control receiver for providing input and output signals to the stepper motors. I have also selected a 100 microfarad capacitor as this will act as a filter and help me to stabilize the output current. Then I have taken a wireless camera and a wireless display as this will help me to identify and detect the invasive insects. Then I have a breadboard. This breadboard will be used to provide power supply and ground connections to the joystick, the servo motors and the high intensity lasers. Then I have selected a pair of servo motors. This will help me to provide biaxial control to the high intensity laser diode. The high intensity laser diodes that I have chosen will be used to eradicate the identified targets. Then I have taken a joystick. This joystick will allow me to maneuver the servo motors and thus point the laser diode at the necessary direction. And finally, I have taken batteries, which are necessary for providing power supply to our components. Now let us head over to the Arduino wiring diagram. So this is the Arduino circuit diagram of my project. Here at the center, we have the Arduino Mega microcontroller board. From this, I have initially connected the A4998 stepper driver module. This is used for providing control to the stepper motor. Then I have connected this remote control, which will be used to drive the stepper motor. The wireless camera will be mounted on the stepper motor and thus can be maneuvered in different directions to take necessary input for identification. The wireless camera is connected wirelessly to the display using Bluetooth, which will allow us to get a live feed of what the camera is seeing for proper identification. On the other side, we have taken a breadboard. This breadboard is used for providing the ground as well as the power supply to the components such as the servo motors, the joystick, the high intensity laser, and the batteries. So the servo motors act as axial control for the high intensity laser. So using the joystick, the servo motors can be rotated in a lot of different directions, allowing us to point the high intensity laser in whichever direction we want for eradicating the targets. Other than this, I'll be using an OpenCV Python program for the detection of the targets with the help of wireless camera so that this system can work efficiently. Thank you.